A wireless PA system is a complete communication platform for any facility. Do you need a method to make live announcements to your manufacturing floor, or your warehouse, or to classrooms? Is the lack of communication hurting your organization? Would you like to play a tone, like a bell sound, at a scheduled time to signal the start and end of an event? Organizations such as manufacturing and warehousing can benefit from a wireless speaker system. A wireless Wi-Fi speaker system is excellent for organizations that have an existing Wi-Fi network. Wireless public address systems give organizations an affordable method to install a speaker system without any hassle of running cables. The speaker system consists of the choice of two different speakers, a standard speaker and a high-powered speaker. The wireless speakers can provide audio coverage for large or small areas. Based on the size of the area, you may only need standard speakers. But if it's a large room or hallway, then the high-powered speaker would probably be more appropriate. I think you will appreciate everything our wireless Wi-Fi speaker system has to offer. It can not only make live broadcasts, but also function as a buzzer or bell schedule system. It has a buzzer alert scheduler built into it. The system provides for a variety of tones and sounds that can be played at scheduled times. Perfect to schedule breaks in a warehouse. You can make live broadcasts from any authorized desktop or smartphone using the phone app. The broadcast can go to an individual speaker or a certain number of speakers or to the whole facility. The speaker system is certainly a strategic part of an organization's emergency communication plan. During an emergency, people need information to make the correct choices, and audio is the best method to convey that information. Emergencies typically require quick action. The action may require you to make an announcement when you're not at your desktop. If you have a smartphone, you will be able to make an announcement to all the speakers on the network. Let us give you a free quote so that you can see how affordable advanced technology is. Please calculate an estimate of the number of speakers you need in your facility. Please consider a standard speaker for a room 20 feet by 30 feet. And for larger rooms, consider the high-powered speaker. It is easy to get a quote from us. Click on the link below in the description or click the Get a Quick Quote button on our website at www.innovationwireless.com and we will get a quote to you right away. You can also call us at 888-559-5565.